Squarespace now helps you sell online and in person. Introducing Point of Sale in the Squarespace Commerce app. It lets you sell anywhere by giving you the tools to keep your customers engaged and your inventory in sync. We've partnered with Square, so you can simply connect your card reader to accept payments in person. And that's it. You're ready to go. In addition to simplifying payments, Point of Sale makes it easier for you to connect with your customers by sweetening the deal with one-off discounts or creating opportunities for repeat customers by collecting emails, all while keeping your inventory in sync with your online store, so you can track everything seamlessly. Selling face-to-face is one of the most powerful ways to connect with your customers, and now it's easy with Point of Sale in the Squarespace Commerce app.